Welcome back to our series of videos taking a look at the timeline section inside Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how plotlines work. So as you can see, in our file for the three little pigs, we have 5 plotlines set up. A main plotline, then one for each of the 4 characters, the wolf and the 3 little pigs. This is one way to set it up with characters, but you can set it up any way you'd like, with different subplots, time periods, anything that makes sense to you. But let's jump into a new file and see how we set these up. So here we are in a blank document, and you can see main plot has automatically been created. And simply by hovering over the plus button, we can add a new plot line. We have the option to use a template, which we'll go over in a future video. So for now, we're just going to use the plus icon to add a new plot line. And when we click it, we can give it a name. So we'll call this the wolf. And then we'll create a plot line for each of the additional characters. Pig 1, Pig 2, and Pig 3. And now we have our project set up just like we saw in the 3 little pigs. Now we can change any of the details about the individual plot lines simply by hovering over it. And we have a couple different options. The pencil icon allows us to edit the name of the plot line. So I can call this the Big Bad Wolf. The color drop icon allows us to change the color of the plot line. So as you can see, there's a range of colors you can choose from. So I can choose a nice purple. There are a few other options for collapsing, and we'll go into that in a later video. But you can also delete the plot line simply by clicking on the trash can icon. And as you can see, the plotline for the wolf has now been deleted. So now let's head back over to our file for the 3 little pigs and see how we can move and reorder our plot lines. So here in the 3 little pigs, if I wanted to move the order of the plot lines, I can simply hover over the plot line I'd like to move, click with my mouse, and drag and drop it to wherever I'd like it to be. So as you can see, I just moved Pig 3 ahead of the wolf and the other 2 pigs. And it has also moved all the associated scene cards with that plot line. I can also drag and drop to move it back. And again, all of the scene cards with Pig 3 have moved with it. So that covers our brief overview of plot lines inside the timeline view. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments and be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all our latest news and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.